Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Let's get into one more episode of learning. And I'm into illustration 6, page 104, currency volume 1. And we have to prepare journals and lecture. Okay. So this illustration has got a different one where we have beginning balance also. In the earlier sum, we discussed about the accounts which can be carried forward, right? So this is a carried forward transaction. Let's look into that in detail. Bharat is a sole trader dealing in oil products for the past 5 years. The books of accounts showed the following balances as on 1st April 2018. Cash in hand 25,000, cash at bank 3 lakhs. The following transactions took place for the month of April 2018. Let's first journalize these transactions. Goods bought by giving check. Purchases account debit 30,000. Bought by check. Cash account credit 30,000. Right. Next transaction is goods sold to Naveen and payment received through NEFT. So goods sold to Naveen, payment received through NEFT means bank. Bank account debit. Bank account debit 40,000. Sales account 40,000. Credit. Sales to Naveen. Payment received through NEFT. Right. And here purchase of goods by cash. Oh, by check. Aha, I missed it. Let's be careful as we go through the problems. There is always a probability that we can miss this thing. So that is the reason you have to go through the transactions after processing the journal entries or after writing the journal entries. You just revise it one more time to avoid this type of. You can see here I made a mistake here. Goods bought by giving check. So credit should go to bank account, not cash. So the moment you journalize, don't straight away go to the ledger. Just do a revision whether you have processed the journal entries correctly or not. That might take probably 1 minute or so. Just put time for this as well. Okay, to identify this type of errors. Goods sold to Xavier for cash. Goods sold to Xavier for cash. So cash account debit. Goods sold to sales account credit. So Xavier for cash 20,000. Sales to Xavier by cash. Next journal entry is goods sold to credit, sold on credit to Abdul for 25,000. Sold on credit. So Sundry debtors. In brackets it is Abdul. Account debit. Sales account credit. 25,000. 25,000. Credit sales to Abdul. Next journal entry is cash received from 10,000. So cash account debit. Sundry debtors. Abdul. Account credit. 10,000. Cash received from Abdul. Now we have generalized all the transactions. While I would like the students to prepare the ledger entries, I will prepare the cash and bank ledgers to show how the beginning balance is being captured here. Let's take this bank account. I'm just copying the format, putting it here so that we can ledger for bank account. Okay. So you can see here beginning balance that has been given here. Cash at bank 3 lakhs. We have not put any journal entries for this, friends, because we are journalizing only the current month transactions, April. So we have to take the beginning balance. When we prepare the ledger, we have to take the beginning balance and then continue with the ledgers. This is, as we discussed, this is applicable for real account and personal accounts, right? If it is for a new financial year, if it is okay, so then what all the transactions we have in bank? Purchase account debit, purchase of goods by check. So bank account by purchases is 3,000. By purchases 30,000. Then next transaction is bank account to sales account. Sales to payment received through NEFT to sales 40,000. Next transaction is, this is cash account. This is sundry debtors to sales account. This is cash account, cash received from Abdul. So there are only two transactions in bank. One is the purchases and paid by check. The other one is sales to Navin and payment received through NEFT. Now you can see here the total is 3,40,000. Purchase is 30,000. Then the balance carried forward is 3,10,000. To beginning balance transferred to the next period 3,10,000. Because it is a personal account, we are carrying forward the transaction to the next period. Let's put a ledger for cash. Ledger for cash account. Beginning balance is 25,000. Beginning balance is 25,000. So what are all the cash transactions we have? Bank. This is bank and this is cash. Cash sales to Xavier and payment received by cash 20,000. So to sales 20,000. Cash account to sales. Next is cash received from Abdul. So cash account to sundry debtors account. In bracket Abdul 10,000. There is no more transactions related to cash. So the total cash balance is 55,000. Balance carried forward to next period 55,000. So the beginning balance is 55,000. Okay, students, I would like you to prepare a ledger for purchases and sales and sundry debtors. Ledger for, because first I am saying it, let me prepare a ledger for sundry debtors also. Ledger for debtors. Then bracket Abdul. There is no beginning balance here. Okay, so what are all the transactions in sundry debtors account? We have sundry debtors account, credit sale Abdul, sales account. So 25,000 to sales 25,000. And then we have received cash from Abdul for 10,000 rupees by cash 10,000. You can see here balance carried forward because we have 25,000 and we have received only 10,000 from Abdul. The balance carried forward and sundry debtors being an Sundry debtors being an personal account, and we are having balance carried forward to the next period, beginning balance transferred to the next period 15,000 rupees. It means that we are still yet to recover another 15,000 rupees from Abdul. Hope students this is clear, and let me know for any clarifications. Put your comments, and also recommend this class to your friends so that they can also get you benefit out of this. Thank you, friends, and have a great day.